Hey there, and welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to take control of your finances and sharpen your Excel skills at the same time, you're in the right place. Today, we're tackling an exciting Excel challenge, creating a budget tracker from scratch. Budgeting is one of the most powerful tools for financial success. Whether you're managing household expenses, saving for a big goal, or just trying to keep your spending in check, having a clear picture of where your money is going is a game changer. In this challenge, I'll guide you step by step through building a simple but effective budget tracker in Excel. You'll learn key formulas, formatting tricks, and automation tips to make your budgeting process smooth and stress free. So grab your laptop, open up Excel, and let's get started. Now, before we dive into the actual tracker, it's important to understand your finances. A solid budget starts with a clear picture of your income and expenses. First, let's talk about spending habits. Take a moment to analyze where your money goes each month. Are you spending more than you realize on dining out? Are your subscription services adding up? Tracking your spending is the first step to financial awareness. Next, let's identify your income sources. This includes your salary, side hustles, investments, and any other sources of money coming in. Knowing exactly how much you earn each month will help you make more informed budgeting decisions. Now, let's categorize your spending. A good way to do this is by breaking it down into different categories: housing, rent, mortgage, utilities, food, groceries, dining out, transportation, gas, public transit, car maintenance, entertainment, streaming services, hobbies, outings, savings and investments, emergency funds, retirement accounts. Categorizing your spending makes it easier to spot patterns and adjust where necessary. Finally, let's talk about budgeting and financial goals. Budgeting isn't about restriction, it's about freedom. It helps you take control of your money so you can achieve your goals, whether it's saving for a house, paying off debt, or just having extra spending cash at the end of the month. In the next section, we'll start building your budget tracker in Excel step by step. Now that we've covered the basics of understanding your finances, it's time to build your budget tracker. We'll start by creating a simple yet effective spreadsheet in Excel to track your income and expenses. First, let's set up the basic structure. Open a new Excel sheet and create the following column headers: date, income, expense, category, balance. Next, let's format the spreadsheet to make it visually appealing and easy to use. We can adjust column widths to fit the text properly, apply bold headers for better readability, use color coding to differentiate income from expenses, format numbers as currency for a clean and professional look. Now, let's add some formulas to automate calculations. For example, in the balance column, use this formula to calculate your running balance equals B2 minus C2 in row 2. This will give the first balance to start your tracker. Then in row 3, you will change the formula a bit to add the new income, if any, then subtract the new expense, if any, which will then update the current real-time balance. To do this, enter equals E2 plus B3 minus C3 and press enter. Copy this formula down the entire spreadsheet. As you continue entering data, the balance will automatically update. Now that we have our budget tracker set up, let's explore some advanced features that will make it even more powerful and user-friendly. First, let's talk about conditional formatting. This tool allows us to highlight important information such as expenses that exceed a certain amount, low account balances that need attention, categories where you're overspending. I have a separate video that dives deeper into conditional formatting, so be sure to check that out. I'll link it in the description below. Next, let's visualize our budget using charts and graphs. A simple bar or pie chart can help you see where your money is going at a glance. Here's how to do it. First, select your data. Next, click on Insert Chart and choose a format that best represents your budget. and then customize the chart with colors, labels, and titles to make it clear and informative. Finally, let's discuss customizing your tracker to fit your individual needs. Some ways to do this include adding separate sheets for different months, creating a dashboard for quick financial insights, using drop down lists to quickly categorize transactions. These small adjustments can make your budget tracker even more efficient and tailored to your goals. That's it for today's tutorial. With these advanced features, your budget tracker is now a powerful financial tool. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other videos for more Excel tips.